Samsung refrigerator compressor not working, what to do? The question is, Samsung refrigerator compressor not working? When a Samsung refrigerator compressor is not working, it can feel like a serious and expensive problem. But in many cases, the compressor is not actually bad. Most common causes explained. The most common causes are cooling off or demo mode, a reset issue after a power outage, a failed start relay, poor condenser airflow, or a control or inverter problem. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to check, step by step. How a refrigerator compressor works. The compressor is the heart of the cooling system. It pumps refrigerant through a sealed system, raising pressure and temperature so heat can be released at the condenser. After that, the refrigerant expands, becomes cold, and absorbs heat inside the refrigerator. Dirty coils equals cooling problems. This is why airflow is critical. If condenser coils are clogged with dust, heat cannot escape properly. The refrigerator may act like the compressor has failed, even when it is still running. Light on, compressor off? If the light is on but the compressor is not running, don't assume the compressor is dead. Lights use very little power. The compressor is a high-load component controlled by electronic boards and sensors. Cooling off, demo mode. Samsung refrigerators include a cooling off or demo mode. When this mode is enabled, the refrigerator appears powered on, but cooling is completely disabled. No reset will fix this until demo mode is turned off. How to reset the refrigerator. To reset the compressor, unplug the refrigerator or turn off the breaker. Wait 1 to 5 minutes, then restore power. Many refrigerators delay compressor restart for several minutes to protect the system. Compressor not working after power outage. After a power outage, a hard reset is often the most effective fix. Power interruptions can leave control boards in an unstable state. If the compressor still doesn't start after a reset, the issue is likely hardware related. Fans running, compressor silent. If fans are running but the compressor is not, this usually points to a bad start relay, inverter issue, or a locked compressor. This tells us the refrigerator is partially alive and receiving power. The question is, clicking sound near compressor? A repeated clicking sound near the compressor often means the start relay is trying, and failing, to start the compressor. This is a very common and affordable repair. Signs of a bad start relay. A start relay may be bad if the compressor won't start, you hear clicking, or the relay shows burn marks or fails continuity testing. Replacing the relay is much cheaper than replacing the compressor. Testing the compressor safely. Using a multimeter, technicians measure resistance between the compressor's common, start, and run terminals. Any continuity to ground usually means the compressor is electrically failed. Problems that look like compressor failure. Many compressor problems are actually caused by dirty coils, poor ventilation, door seal leaks, or installation issues. Always check airflow and basic conditions first. Compressor replacement explained. Compressor replacement is sealed system work. It involves refrigerant handling, brazing, evacuation, and leak testing. That's why labor costs are high. How much does it cost? The compressor part itself may cost a few $100s, but total replacement costs often range from $700 to over $1,000. Always compare repair cost with refrigerator age and warranty coverage. What to do first? If your Samsung refrigerator compressor is not working, follow this order. Check demo mode, reset the refrigerator, clean condenser coils, test the start relay, then move to control board or compressor diagnosis.